Scenario 2. Whoops, you noticed you made a mistake and issued the credentials to the wrong course offer. Cancel all credentials issued. We will use a filtered list to filter the credentials to show only ones we want to cancel, and then we'll cancel those credentials. So from Wisenet, we're going to go to the Reports tab, and then we'll go to Credential Register. The course offer that we want to cancel credentials for is the 25 dip, and you can see that we've got it to that status. We could also add a status in here of issued. Done. I'll demonstrate both pathways to cancel. So you can cancel an individual row. So if we cancel Josh's here, we can click this button here. Reason for cancelling, issued in error, and cancel. What we can see now is if we refresh the screen, that Josh is no longer there, as he's got the issued status. If we remove that status, we can see Josh is cancelled. We'll refilter again, but we'll add and we'll just select the two that we are wanting to cancel from here. So there is also the bulk cancel option. So we can go over to cancel over here and issue in error, cancel. We can now see that all of those credentials are cancelled.